Okay, so I've got to factorise this. Well, it's obviously going to be two brackets, it's quadratic. 15x squared, so I'm going to get, I hate it when it's got a number in front of the x squared. So it's so many x's and so many x's. And to get minus 2, it's going to have to be that times that. So it's going to have to be 1 and 2, and one's going to be positive and one's going to be minus. So that's good to start off with. And it's only 1 here. 15, it could be 1 and 15. I don't think it's going to be that because it's close. I'm going to go with 3 and 5, like that. And don't forget, when I go to 3x, whatever that hits, that number there is going to be times by the 3. So it's either going to be 3 times the 1, and I don't think it's going to be 3 times 1 because that'll be 3, and that means I have 5 times 2 here. That would, no, it's not going to be that. So it's not going to be 1, that'll be 2, and that'll be 1. That's going to give me 6x, and that'll give me 5x. That's good. I don't want 1x, so I want the 6x to be positive. So that bit will be positive and that'll be minus. Let's have a quick look at that to check I've got those 2 marks. That'll give me 15x squared plus 6x minus 5x will be plus 1x, and minus 1 times plus 2 is minus 2. I've got those 2 marks. Now I've got to solve this equation. Give your solutions correct 2 decimal places. Well, that's such a big clue. That says it's going to be the formula, so I might as well write it down. If you can't remember it, it's in the formula sheet at the front. So minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And I always like writing down what they equal. A is the number of x squareds, b is the number of x's, and c is the other numbers. So a in this case is 3, b is 5, c is minus 11, and that will give me x equals minus 5 plus or minus the square root of 5 squared, that's 25, but minus 4 times the a is 3 times by c is negative 11. And I divide that by 2a, so 2 times 3 is 6. And I'm going to put that exactly into my calculator. And what I'm going to do is actually I'm going to put the minus 5 minus the square root of this first, and then over 6 as using the fraction button, and that will give me minus 2.92166. And now I'm going to go back and edit it and change that minus sign in front of the square root to positive, and that will give me 1.25499, and it says 2 decimal places, so 2 decimal places. Next one's a 1, I don't round it up, that would be minus 2.92, and this one here 2 decimal places, the next numbers are 4, so I still don't round it up, and that'll be 1.25. And those are my 2 answers to 2 decimal places, and that's 16 done.